you should learn to stay quiet or silent. Silence is a very powerful tool that can be your greatest weapon. People can tackle a person who speaks too much, but they cannot tackle the person who always stays silent. Learn to be alone and silent because there is no one for you and with you. This world is full of fake people. Hear only their work and means. Provoke them to join you. There are very few people who really love you, and they are your parents and few more members of your so-called family. Although all are good, but learn to differentiate between love and greed. And fix this in your mind that you are all alone in your journey and no one will come to help you. There will be so many people who will keep on reminding you about your weaknesses, but you need not to give them any attention because they will never change. Just be silent and give them a broad smile and move away. Now, let me tell you the power of silence. First point, you can control your anger. Those who want to control their anger can try remaining silent, and soon you will notice a change in your behavior. Second point, you can control your emotions. Controlling emotions is the hardest task for every human, but by remaining quiet you can even control your emotions. And this is true as I have experimented with it in my life. Third point, you can work upon your future better than others. When you remain silent, then you can introspect and you can work productively towards your goals, and trust me, there is no better feeling than being a self-made person. Fourth point, you will learn to give yourself importance. You have to learn this, because if you will not give importance to yourself, then no one will give you importance. So, be quiet and discover yourself. Fifth point, silence and time are good healers. It is absolutely true, silence and time can heal all the pains that you got in the past. You are human, so pain and suffering will be a part of your life, but do not yell at yourself. Give yourself time and things will be alright. Conclusion of this video. Silence can prevent any war, but you need to know the power of silence, and this you can only understand by applying it to your life. Question for the audience. Have you ever controlled any situation by remaining silent? Do tell me in the comments. I will love to read your incidents. And always be happy, as you will always remain with yourself. Be your biggest supporter and keep yourself motivated. And learn to be realistic. Thanks for your precious time. See you back here soon.